We started the tour at a point of the Dutch Canal. We were cruising a short distance to the heart of the old Negombo town before entering the lagoon. It was a close-up view of the local fishing life. You will see thousands of colorful fishing boats, and you will pass by the fish market and the fish farms. Here's a boat repairing center. And here, the excess catch is being washed and sun-dried to be sold as dried fish.
This is where the lagoon meets the sea.
Here's where the lagoon meets the sea. Now we are on the sea. You can only come this far in the morning. In the evening, waves become stronger. Now we are heading back to the lagoon. This is the fish market, as you can see from the lagoon. The lagoon is known for its beautiful mangrove swamps. Let's drift along past mangrove forests. Fishermen get their fishing nets ready for the next catch. The boat stopped at a place surrounded by a densely populated mangrove swamps. The water is shallow. We can get off the boat and wade in the lagoon.
Treasure hunting, eh?
Look what I found. देखा कि नहीं? The boatman is preparing a meal for us, which we can enjoy in the middle of the lagoon. What a cool idea. We are in the middle of the lagoon. We had a nice meal there. And that's the boat that took us here. They say you can have a bath here. I didn't know that. We don't have enough time now, so we are going back. We are about to go back. He's putting things back in the boat. Now we are heading to the monkey island to offer food to the monkeys. We are almost at the end of the tour and entering back to the Dutch Canal. This was about a 2-hour journey and it was wonderful. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.